What if I told you that a 22-year-old dropout is currently making over $70,000 a month while only working 2 hours a day? He doesn't show his face. He doesn't record his voice. He uses AI to make history documentaries, and YouTube pays him in US dollars. Most people think making money online is a scam. But here is the reality. The YouTube algorithm does not care if you are handsome. It cares about watch time. And in 2026, artificial intelligence is the ultimate watch time machine. I am going to give you the exact dual script blueprint that is allowing creators to tap into the highest paying ad pools in the world, specifically the US and UK markets, without speaking a word of English themselves. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to build your own dollar-earning AI channel. We are going to cover niche selection, the dual script method, how to generate cinematic visuals for free, and how to stitch it all together. Let's unlock that USD income. Here is the mistake 90% of beginners make. They target the wrong language. If you want to earn dollars, you need to target the dollar audience. Our PM revenue per mil, or earnings per 1,000 views in the US and UK, can be 5 to 10 times higher than in other regions. We aren't just chasing views, we are chasing geography. So, we are creating content in English for the US, UK audience. But what do we talk about? You need a niche that is highly visual. AI is terrible at making complex vlogs, but it is incredible at creating cinematic landscapes. Think about topics like mythology, lost cities, space exploration, or deep history. Why lost cities of the world? Because when the script says the sun glistened off the gold of El Dorado, the AI can generate that image perfectly. We aren't fighting the AI, we are harnessing its strength. Now we get to the secret sauce. This is the system that separates the amateurs from the people making thousands of dollars a month. It's called the dual script method. Most people open ChatGPT and say, "Write me a script about the pyramids." The AI writes 1,000 words, and then they have no idea what visuals to use. They get stuck. Instead, we are going to use a master prompt that forces the AI to think like a director. I am going to put a link to this exact prompt in the description below. But essentially, we are telling the AI, act as a documentary scriptwriter. Write a 10-minute script about topic. Output 2 things. 1. A clean voice-over script. 2. A production table with 2 columns. Timecode, narration, and visual description. Look at this. The AI gives me the narration. Plato first described Atlantis in 360 BC, and right next to it, it gives me the visual prompt, a slow pan across an ancient weathered scroll, Greek text, dim scholarly lighting. For case cinematic, the guesswork is gone. You have just automated the creative director role. Now we have our 2 documents. Let's build the video. Take the clean script column. We need a voice that sounds American or British to connect with our high-paying audience. You don't need to be a native speaker. You need Eleven Labs or a similar tool. Paste the script in. Select a voice like Adam or Antoni. If you have a long script and hit a character limit, split it into part 1, part 2, and part 3. Generate them separately and stitch them together later. Now, open a new tab. We are going to the visual description column. Copy the first prompt. Slow pan across an ancient weathered scroll. Head over to a free image generator. You have options. Leonardo AI for photorealism, CART for generous free credits, or Microsoft Designer for DALL-E 3 integration. Generate 1 image per scene. Download them. They are your raw footage. A static image is boring. We need motion. Remember the tool I mentioned in my last video. We are going to use an image to video platform. My favorite right now is Luma Labs Dream Machine or Run Waymo. Upload your still image, and it adds gentle, cinematic motion like a Ken Burns effect on steroids. You now have a folder full of short video clips, your visuals, and an MP3 file, your voiceover. Open your video editor. It can be CapCut, it's free and has auto captions, or even Canva. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline. Now, drag your video clips above it. Match each clip to the corresponding part of the narration based on that table we made. Here is the pro tip for retention: auto captions. When viewers are on mute scrolling in bed, they read. If they read, they watch longer. Use the auto caption feature in your editor. Make the text bold, maybe with a yellow highlight so it pops against dark backgrounds. You can have the best video in the world, but if the thumbnail sucks, nobody clicks. We are in the dollar-earning business, so we need high CTR click-through rate. Go back to your AI image generator. Prompt it: extreme close-up of a golden mask of an ancient king, tears of gold, intricate details, dramatic lighting, 8K. Generate it. Open Canva. Import that image. Put a giant red circle on it with bold white text that says, "They found it." Curiosity is the currency of YouTube. Getting you to watch this video was step 1. But the real money is made when you take action. The algorithm doesn't pay you for compliments, it pays you for consistency. I have put together a resource page. It includes the exact master prompt we used for the dual script method, and links to all the free tools I mentioned today. Do not wait until Monday. Do not wait until you feel ready. Open a new tab right after this video. Go to one of those AI tools and generate your first image. The only thing standing between you and that $70,000 a month channel is taking the first step. Click the video on the screen now to see the exact editing workflow used to turn these clips into finished products. Let's build your empire. This is brought to you by Mulplat AI Empire, a division of Mulplat Techs. Your sure plug and go to hub for tech updates, especially AI.